Oh no, there's again a bug in my computer. Oh, hi people, are you thinking about that bug? Then no, you are highly mistaken, because I'm not talking about the bug which is an insect, but I'm talking about a bug which is a hardware which causes computer to malfunction. So yes, just like this technical terms, we are going to explore more such terms in this video lectures, which are usually called as jargons. Now talking about jargons, jargons are specialized language which are concerned with a particular subject, culture or profession. Talking about jargons, jargons are not used by everyday listener or reader in their regular speech. They are mostly avoided. Scholars usually tell that jargon should be avoided in the daily language for the smooth flow of communication. While there jargons causes barriers in the communication. While there are some scholars who think that the jargon should be used in the profession where it is possible to show yourself professional and smart. Just like if you have ever come across the term Code 8. Now this Code 8 indicates that officer requires immediate help. Rather than saying that officer requires immediate help, usually the officers or army people use the sentence Code 8. One more quick example. Just like doctor used the term called as coronary thrombosis, while people like me and you usually use the term heart attack. There are some more phrases just like computer scientist. Computer scientists usually use the phrase accessing the information rather than saying getting information. So yes, talking about one more thing about jargon before we end the lecture. There are a lot of jargons. There are a lot of terms in undergraduate courses. Just like we have consensus, hierarchy, open door policy, filtering, all these terms we are going to talk in our next video lecture. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that notifications bell so that you are notified every time I post a video. Before ending a lecture, let me just solve a previous year question. In the October 2020, there was one previous year question which was asked in October 2020. Dash is a technical language. 4 options were given. First option was filtering. Second was prejudice, third is halo effect, and the fourth one was jargon. Now we have understood what the concept jargon is. I am sure you have decoded the answer, and the correct answer over here is jargon.